Henry's just gone in now, he's just waiting to have his haircut. Baby's first haircut here in Disney's Magic Kingdom at the Magic Kingdom Barber Shop. This should be fun watching Henry sit. Bit of a challenge.
Do you want to use the machine on the sides and back or just scissors today?
Whatever's easiest.
Whatever
is easiest.
Perfect.
Do you save some?
Yes, absolutely. You're so handsome. You're so handsome.
Ready? Bye-bye. That's okay. My favourite thing at the moment is when toys on the floor, isn't it? You're just scared.
That's not what you
Bubble,
I
bubble,
think it tastes
bubble.
like strawberry.
Are you okay if I scoot it back a little bit?
Yeah, it's fine.
Just like that. Just like that.
Oh, you seem fun.
We like things that spin around, don't we? Bubble. Would you miss that?
Your eyelashes are so beautiful. They're so handsome. Yeah. Yeah.
Say thank you.
Don't go too far. Don't go too far.
Look at it all going outside. It's everywhere, isn't it? It's everywhere.
I see you're taking pictures, videos. Are you ready for the very first trim?
Woohoo! Yay! Good boy!
He's like, what are you getting for?
Oh, what are you doing?
You know you want to lean forward and play with
He
the toy.
wants to drop them,
stuff
that's
all the
what he's
time.
doing.
Okay.
Ta!
Well, sensitive when we get on the plane when they're on the baby behind us. So that was good.
Yes!
Tell us all about it.
They did.
Tell me, Mom.
It went.
It sure did. So handsome.
Did it sound like you got?
So handsome.
Oh yeah, no, I'm literally just trying to do that.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are.
Beautiful baby. Come on, yeah.
That's what?
A beautiful baby.
It's just because it's red.
Is that tasty? Is that yummy? Oh no. You gonna tell Mickey and Pluto a story?
Oh yes, they're so excited to
They
hear
go
your
back to
story.
Huh?
They look after you.
Yeah, they are looked after. They are.
Yeah,
Because they're the ones you can chew and stuff like in tomorrow.
The ones we can clean.
I thought there was only one.
There is. Handsome.
Or princess.
And then it's just a little bit
Do it.
True princess.
You're gonna look so handsome. I mean, you already do.
He's ours. You usually have walk-ins and maybe your rope drop.
We do, yeah. We open at 9 and we walk up line.
There's something maybe we can put on the phone for just a couple seconds.
Yeah, you can open it and guarantee.
Right.
How about we do the voice?
Half of it is tablets. They just let the actors kind of like go up on their own. Be like, this is a situation.
Alright, one more
My
picture.
favorite is that we have exactly 6 people max.
I'll fill up one.
Spin, 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 spin. The words in his face. Let me know if I need to adjust. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Show between us, we'll get a good one.